other rapper you know could walk in the middle of Times Square on New Year's by himself, no security, $1.67 on the wrist, something on the neck, something on the other wrist. And there's no security. There's none of that. I don't want to talk to these niggas. Everybody's tough. All y'all niggas is pussy. Because you can't even do this. Happy New Year. Let me see you walk outside of your own city. Is everybody's city? It's my fucking city, cow. There you go, my nigga. You rich tonight. You rich tonight. Thank you. Yeah, don't let him rob you. 3 minutes from the New Year on, man.
Yeah, you know what time it is? Countdown time. Dubai. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! I want to give a Happy New Year's to the whole world, man. Not only family, the whole world. I'm grateful to see a new year.